am fine, and you? Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. What is your name? My name is Muhammad Omar Farooq, and you? My name is Muhammad Habibur Rahman. How old are you? I am 8 years old, and you? I am also 8 years old. Where are you from? I am from Faridganj, and you? I am from Chatpur Sadar. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Where are you read in? I read in a madrasa. Are you read in a madrasa? Yes, I am read in a madrasa. What is your madrasa name? My madrasa name is Jamia Rabi Munassunna Madrasa, Salogana Faridganj, Chatpur. What is your principal name? Our principal name is Maulana Abu Bakr Siddiq. How many teachers are there in your madrasa? There are 19 teachers in our madrasa. What class are you in? I am in class 2 of the Roni department. How many teachers are there in the Roni department? We have 5 teachers in our Roni department. What subjects are studied in your madrasa? Our madrasa teaches